How to create cron job via cPanel. Cron jobs help in reducing routine administrative works. They are a series of tasks that the system runs from a script file. These tasks are run repeatedly at the time or interval you set in your cron job. Let's create a cron job. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Advanced section and click the cron jobs. Scroll down to the Common Settings menu. Here you can set the time interval for your cron job as per your requirements. Some configured settings of time intervals are already given. Go and click to open the drop-down list. Different settings specify when specifically the cron job runs. Let's choose the time interval setting once per day. Notice that the system automatically populated the text boxes given below. The cron job will run at the beginning of an hour at 12 a.m. every day. You can continue with one of the settings provided by the system or also set your time interval. Suppose you want the task to complete at 9:30 a.m. every Monday. Let's fill in the customized time settings. Now enter the command you want to run in the command field. You must fill in the exact command in the box to run the cron job. Now click Add New Cron Job. The cron job has been successfully created. Thank you for watching.